Hey, what's up YouTube? Houston here. I wanted to share a quick side hustle with you. Now, you see these here fire extinguishers, right? So check this out. These fire extinguishers on Amazon are going $22 plus shipping, right? Now, I know some of you are, well, that's not a lot. Well, check this out. I'm just tell you about a quick side hustle. Home Depot got these for $12.88. Now, here's the side hustle. You can buy a bulk of these. If you have like apartment complex units nearby or whatever, what you want to do, buy a bulk of these. And you can go knocking on doors. You can go knocking on doors for this here and ask them if they want to buy a fire extinguisher. Some people are like, well, I know or whatever. But here's the thing about it. You can offer them this for $20, all right? Offer them $20, so you probably make about a $7 profit. But here's how you sell it. What you want to do, you want to tell them that if they buy this here and they have renter's insurance, they can save up to 10% on their renter's insurance just by having this here. So they'll save money off of their renter's insurance just by having one of these fire extinguishers in the home. All right, so for those of you that may think about it, let me know in the comments. Hit me up. Thanks.